Tonight, we can tell you that the novel coronavirus has literally become a virus of global concern, as already the World Health Organization has reported that the virus has killed more than 200 people and affected more than 9,000 worldwide. While many countries have evacuated its citizens from the virus's epicenter in Wuhan, China, Health Minister, the Honorable Dr. Dwayne Sands, confirmed yesterday that while a travel ban between the Bahamas and China is in place, there are no plans for evacuations of Bahamians presently there. Jimonita Swain has our top story tonight.
The government of the Bahamas will welcome the citizens of the Bahamas, but there is no specific program to repatriate the some 160 Bahamians currently in China.
And while 2 persons remain under quarantine, country representative for the World and Pan American Health Organizations, Dr. Esther de Gorville, explained why the 14-day quarantine is important.
Incubation period, the period between exposure to the virus and coming down with symptoms, could be as long as 10 to 14 days. And evidence also suggests that persons may be asymptomatic and still able to transmit the virus to others. So the idea of quarantine is to minimize the risk of transmission from persons who may have been exposed to the virus and as yet not manifesting symptoms to their close family members or to the medical services.
Symptoms of the novel coronavirus include fever, cough, shortness of breath, and breathing difficulties. In more severe cases, symptoms include pneumonia, severe respiratory distress, kidney failure, and even death. There is no vaccine for the virus as yet, although recommendations to prevent the spread include
frequent, proper hand washing and use of hand sanitizers, covering the cough, covering the mouth and the nose when coughing and sneezing, preferably with the elbow and sleeve, thoroughly cooking meat and eggs, avoiding close contact with anyone showing symptoms of respiratory illness such as coughing and sneezing.
And while non-essential travel to China is not recommended, if you must visit, health officials advise
avoiding direct contact with sick people and products that come from animals. Be diligent. Pay attention and equip yourselves with travel advisory information related to the 2019 novel coronavirus before you travel. If during or after your travel, symptoms of respiratory illness are experienced, you are encouraged to immediately contact a medical practitioner who will guide you as to your next steps. Be ready to give your full travel history to the healthcare providers.
Again, officials stress there are no suspected, reported, or confirmed cases of the 2019 novel coronavirus in the Bahamas.